Hey guys, it's Spark from BladeForums.com, and today we're going to talk about one of Kershaw's new for 2019 designs from Les George, the 3490 Seguin. As you can see, this comes in the standard Kershaw red and black box, marked Seguin and 3490 on the end. Let's go ahead and pull it from the package. Alright. Speed safe opening. Cool. So let's talk about Les George. Les George is a USMC veteran who started making knives in 1992. His military service guides his design philosophy. He makes strong, functional knives with elegant lines suitable for hard use. Many of his custom designs are named from his experiences as an explosive ordnance disposal technician. The VECP, the Rockeye collaboration with Protec, the Ferrum Forge Master Blaster, which itself is a reference to the highest level of EOD qualification, and the Galvo boot knife. Les George has designed several models for Kershaw, such as the 3470 Pico and the 3450 BW Spline. Under their ZT line, there's also been the 0900, the 0909, the 0920, and more. The Seguin here is named after Juan Seguin, who was a hero of the Texas Revolution. So looking at the knife here, on the front of the blade we have Kershaw Speed Safe marked on it. On the back of the blade we have 3490 George design, the Kai logo, and patented. The patented refers to Kershaw's patented speed safe opening, which was designed by Ken Onion. In addition, on the bevel of the blade, you can see the steel type, which is 8CR13 MOV stainless. The Kershaw 3490 has a PVD coated blade for additional hardness and corrosion resistance. Other Kershaw knives with PVD coatings include the Outright 8320, which is PVD coated blue, and the Antic 8710. The handle is stainless steel that has been bee blasted. For those of you who are familiar with Les George's custom work, the traction grooves remind me of the Wilson Combat Eagle collaboration he did. The areas with the grooves are contoured, and the back of the handle has an ergonomic palm swell. Looking at the back of the knife, you can see the anodized aluminum backspacer. The aluminum backspacer also has jimping for additional control. For additional security, there is also an index finger choil at the front of the grip. The 3490 is a frame lock, a design which uses the handle itself to lock the blade in the open position. There is no hardened lock bar insert or lock bar stabilizer, which is typical for knives in this price range. The frontside pivot is a customized design that reminds me of the letter theta from the Greek alphabet. The rear side of the pivot is user adjustable if necessary, with a Torx driver. The 3490 has a single position tip-up right side carry only pocket clip. Sorry lefties. One of the neat things about this is that the pocket clip is held in place by the same screws that hold the backspacer. As a result, this is a very low profile, snag-free experience when you put this into or pull it out of your pocket. Because there's no exposed screws, it goes in and out, no problem whatsoever. Three things I like about the Seguin: it is a speed safe opening knife via flipper. No thumb studs means no snags when you are putting it into or taking it out of your pocket. The frame lock is a simple design that's easy to maintain and keep clean. The PVD coating is very hard and will resist wear and scratches quite well. Things I dislike about the knife. The 8CR13 MOV blade is a low-end stainless steel. Even Kershaw only rates it as a 3 out of 10 on edge retention and corrosion resistance, but on the plus side, it's very easy to sharpen. The lack of hardened lock bar insert means that the knife will wear and eventually have rock lock as you use it. The single position pocket clip limits this knife to right side carry only, not friendly for left-handers. The Kershaw 3490 Seguin has an overall length of 7.25 inches. The blade length is 3.1 inches and is made of 8CR13 MOV with a gray PVD coating. The coating adds hardness and corrosion resistance. The opening method is a flipper combined with Kershaw's patented speed safe assisted opening. Notice the jimping on the flipper itself, which gives a little bit more traction when opening the knife. The handle material is stainless steel with a bee-blasted finish. The lock is a frame lock. The pocket clip is single position, right side carry, tip up. Because the pocket clip is held in place by the back spacer screws, it is low profile and does not snag. The back spacer is anodized aluminum with additional jimping for control. The Seguin weighs 4.9 ounces and has an MSRP of $59.99. Folks, we hope you enjoyed this look at the Kershaw 3490 Seguin designed by Les George. If you did, do us a solid and hit the like button and subscribe to our feed. If you have questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them down below, and feel free to join that 337,000 members of the BladeForums.com community. Registration is absolutely free.